Unboxing is happening. Whoa, okay, so I've opened it upside down. This is my first unboxing. I've never really fully understood the fascination with seeing something come out of a box, but I'm going to get on board. And the reason is that one of my biggest major studio upgrades that I've done since being a professional producer is to upgrade my microphone. My main condenser. I've kind of been surviving on my trusty Aston Origin. Never had any complaints. I think it's a fantastic mic. It's just that you do reach a point with gear where you feel like leveling up is important to get better quality results. I'm always saying about like you don't need to keep buying more and more gear. However, microphones, speakers, preamps, all those kind of things that are all about the signal quality, they're always worth upgrading if you can. So the Dachman audio, which has just arrived from Germany, I think, maybe. What they do as a company is that they were a company that sold kits so you could build your own microphones. And the main product they do is a microphone that is kind of, I guess, a clone of the vintage and classic U87 by Neumann. Yeah, and if you want to check it out, like Dachman, Dachman, I'll put a link somewhere probably, but I'm on their website. Basically, it sets the standard for what a U87 reproduction should be. Great capsule. It's essentially a perfect replica of the vintage circuit that you would have got in the original U87 by Neumann. So I'm excited. It took a while to get here because it's come from another country and import tax had to be paid, which I kind of forgot about when I was buying it, but there you go. Actually, with the import tax, it was still cheaper than it would have been in the original price, so that's how I'm justifying that, not being too pissed off about it. Right, here's the box. It's a nice box. It feels kind of Apple-y. It's got that Apple finish to it. Dachman Audio D87i vintage studio microphone. It's not vintage. It's new. All right. Okay. Unboxing is happening. This is the box, and I'm getting it. It's going to be unboxed, out of its box. Whoa. Okay. So I've opened it upside down. Okay. So there you go. Oh, it smells good. It smells nice. In the box, we have, obviously, the mic needs to be held in place. So it's got the cradle. Is that what it's called? A cradle? Whatever. It looks pretty epic, actually. I did read about this. They've upgraded this. And there's an older version of this that people were complaining about, saying that it wasn't quite able to hold the mic. So they've actually upgraded the mechanism so it's stronger. That's the cradle. Is that what it's called? Cradle? I think it is. Anyway, I should know this stuff. It's lovely. It's got this sort of padded stuff going on. Here's the box. That was pretty quick for an unboxing. This is a box. It's a wooden box. Everyone likes a wooden box. Let's open the catches. Let's get that on the mic. Oh yeah. Bit of ASMR for you. And it's out of its box. It's open. It's lovely. I mean, this is a moment for me because I've been geeking out about this for quite a long time. People online all talking about it. It's actually not got as much hype. I don't think they have a huge marketing budget, this company. And here's the mic. It's nice, heavy, feels substantial. We like heavy. And it's shiny. So, ASMR. And there we go. So the mic, it feels great. And the capsule mesh, really nice. If you could feel this, you'd know. It just feels super quality. The 3 patterns on the front. The logo, it is kind of like they're going for a Neumann style logo. And it's got the pad. It's got the low cuts switched on a toggle. Yeah. This is my new multi-pattern condenser. This is going to be a major studio upgrade for me to record vocals, acoustic guitars, percussion, anything that needs a mic. This is going to be it. But I think essentially it's going to be my default vocal mic now. I mean, the U87 is like a sort of globally renowned microphone, and the U47, which is the sort of more prestigious vintage Neumann for vocals. It comes in at like somewhere in the region of 10 grand, maybe less if you're lucky. So they're super pricey. I don't need to spend that kind of money on a mic. This was in total delivered to me 600 quid. And if I can get just that next level in terms of quality, and again, I haven't had any issues with the Aston Origin, which I'm recording here, but I've had this for quite a few years now. But there's something alluring about the idea of owning a U87, and when it's such a universally used and reviewed and trusted, loved microphone, you just think, well, there comes a point where you want to own one. It's like Fender guitars or Gibson guitars, or, you know, I've got Genelec monitors, and for a long time I wanted Genelec monitors because I was hearing great things about them, and you just think, right, okay, now's the time. That's it. It's out of its box. Dachman. Super happy. Can't wait to use it. I've got a vocal session actually coming up with an artist I'm working with in the next couple of weeks. So it'll get used very soon for some vocals. Happy days.